fopa. Yeah, baby. Me do ya ma unkua. E baru sen kura.
Daina! Come here. What is the time? Very good. And time better than so, where is the breakfast? Shut up. Where is the breakfast? I'm asking you a simple question. Where is the breakfast? You see, sir, I said when you have freedom to you do whatever you want to do in this house, right? I give you the chance to do whatever you have to do. And you know, upon 9, I wouldn't say me call Juman, I wouldn't say by 7:38 years. I have to eat, you know. Look at what you're telling me. You make me for the end. Everything for the Daina. Why do you always want to do wrong? Look at the time. I'm pressing me the buy no catch him said. She hasn't prepared my breakfast. Nana okay. What are you doing?
I'm not in my body. Some of the juice. You know, do not find a middle of the or you can you look at her age. In a normal circumstance, she shouldn't be a house help. Please consider her. Mister, next time I'll make sure I'll do your.
You better talk.
I will talk.
So, on your penny, I said here.
Thank you. Master, the wolf is said it. I know, but Mr. Also important meeting. 1, why you late? 2, my breakfast in here. Mr. When himself if we faint him, and they're quite away. It is a thing beyond they say when you buy a form. And when you can see a doing your form, sir. To Mr. Salam Crana, when you be a mean to be more. I don't have a fine. You know, pressure. Oh, no problem, but so dear. I mean, breakfast, but why? Oh, yeah, then. I've not come by again. Oh, babe, me feel like somebody this is to them no inside will be any of my first one. But I'm not some. Many breakfast of that much. Why? Okay, you be more attacking. But I'm a dear.
ATADWE! ATADWE! Come here, stupid guy! ATADWE, what is the time? What saying? ATADWE,
boss.
And what are your duties here?
My duty is to watch the compound and service the gate.
And service the gate?
Yes, please.
What's this? I wouldn't say, and the cow in the way you should be a quadruma. Wouldn't say, always be quadruma. I don't use this, I use this. So why this?
Boss, it wasn't my intention. I was working at the gate, at the second gate. So I don't think you'll go very soon.
You don't think I'll go very soon?
Yes, please, boss.
ATADWE, only Daina, I can't bomb na mo perceive. Mulusu miku, right?
No, boss.
You always want me to talk.
No, boss.
Listen, I'm not a stupid guy. Obayano, I took you say, oh, there be the way we're home pressing on your money city. Upon everything, I have to take you here and see what has happened.
Boss, it won't happen again. It won't happen. I'm very sorry. It wasn't my intention to didn't clean the.
Hey, what kind of grammar is this?
Category grammar. I'm very sorry. It won't happen again, boss. I beg you. The mighty name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
I'm not in the mood for you stupid people.
Let me open the gate for you
guys. Nonsense. You mumma kasa kasa sa.
Daina. Ucho.
Yeah, and Tiano sa. One now kind. At the age, you know, what I say.
Honey, the age, you know, it doesn't mean so we drink kekabam. I said you will pay cement.
Madam was one in a man, we ain't cast when you were from Sai. Drink back what push you so I say, oh, for cement in your own house.
I'm sorry.
I don't know why you should.
Yeah. You what did you say?
Can you what?
Kanangu.
Kanangu.
No, they don't know they should drink and blame me that. Until I would know, no, would you buy me quick?
It's okay, you can go. Are you done with the food?
Yeah.
What did you cook?
Sweet and potatoes.
What?
Sweet and potatoes.
What kind of food is that?
Nah, it's sweet potatoes.
With what? With salad or what?
Salad and chicken.
Chicken. You
Okay.
know I love chicken wings. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Yeah. Daina. It's very, very interesting.
I say, what's your attitude?
Me, Mama.
But
anyway, when you need to never find a
Yeah, she's so lovely.
when you need Cassandra, you can go see. I will see if you can caution and I know man can tell.
Anyways,
I come missing. Now, Cassandra, wife. I look nice, right?
No, you are blinking. Trust me.
No, I'm glad.
I don't even know.
Ow.
But Mr. No, honey.
behave yourself. Oh, Daniel, man, you're still doing it.
Not how they are near me from Peso Pomo be
Okay.
Who's a menode it's mission tadio?
And the end cray. Come on, there's a more.
And my way I koi. I hope all is well.
Yeah, all is well, but
But what?
Maybe side in all is not well.
Why?
And bro, wait a minute, someone. I want to ask you a favor.
Ask me a
But
favor.
if you can only help me, I know not anything I'm about.
Okay.
And bro, don't say me counsel, and you know it. And I'm sorry, Passa. To say you're into it, so I wanted to change the work, Kakra. And but then me person me, you know, me person me shippo and crap pampers.
Wow.
Ediba. But
That's a good business.
yes. But me no more kind, you know, almost say just say me the 100 billion.
No. 1K, that is 1 billion.
1
right?
billion.
Yeah.
1 billion. Hey, there be 100 billion.
100 billion.
Oh,
okay.
and you already
That
know
is 10,000 K.
10,000K. And you already know same me was kakra. So then I decided my shorty bear a 3,000. Like 30,000.
30,000.
And say, oh, contracting on to the extent said that amount of money now, oh, bono. Go straight to the. No, listen. Oh, say 100. Do you know 100 million?
100 billion. Yes, I know.
Hey,
bro, I do business. You know.
Listen, 100,000 Ghana cedis is old currency 1 billion.
I know.
And 1 million cedis, which is 100 billion now, can. So you better know what you are saying.
So I'm telling you 100 billion, bro.
So,
And you already know. Say, 3K or.
No, you're still not getting the point.
So, bro, what do you want me to say? Because you all confusing me.
3K.
I'm here to ask you, man, but you are confusing me, brother.
Relax.
It seems like as I
let
said,
her bring out her favor. She is asking for a favor. So let's
Yes.
know how much she wants.
Oh, say yes, because I was here to cheer home. Now you're the FIFA baby. We'll go straight to the point. Maybe I'm in first can amount.
Talk.
Okay.
Intimate FIFA fan channel be
So
serious.
they say now.
And you the me paying am because I tintin na say brand patron 300 million.
That is 30K.
30K. To add it to what I have, no, now me for pampers.
But trust me, that business is a good business.
Me say
I was thinking of it. I had it in mind.
The palava salt is ready.
no, the patron please obey the palabas.
No, Montana.
No,
You
Montana. No.
You better put a stop to what you're saying.
It's okay, it's okay.
Don't be silly
I'm sorry,
here.
but I thought she's doing too much.
It's okay. Koshina fashion fridge, my right. All right, thank you.
So, no, hold on. To conclude everything, no, you came here purposely said, Obabeji, 30,000 Ghana cedis for your business.
Yes.
My dear sister, frankly speaking, things are not being okay with me here. So, you can go or whatever you will get. Shut up.
I'm here for you. Don't worry.
So after then, you start your business. I can add up. You feel it. Right now, there are things are not being okay for me. Yes.
We don't know what issue.
We got no issue. We got
But
no.
what?
So why are you doing this?
Why am I doing what?
She's your sister.
You being too much.
You give to others. Why not your sister?
Listen to me. She says she wanted to switch business, and
Now I've already switched it.
That's what she said. And that business is not a bad business. Trust me. I know a friend who is into that Pampers business.
And they are making money out of it.
Trust me, I was even thinking of telling you about it.
This is too much. I'm just asking you. You are my brother. I'm asking you to give me money. Give me the money. You have it. I know.
I don't know for sure. And my same way made the old money here.
I'll give it to you. It's simple.
But you see,
blah.
No, let me talk, please. That's what I say. Say the baby bones and me brands and I say scan me the baby bussy.
All right,
I'll give her the money.
Akuma yebetua, wo de yes yebetua.
Mama me shabo an
me see yebetua.
Business.
No yebetua.
Okay, brother.
No.
Okay, I'll pay.
She will pay. Me na me a witness.
All right. Oh, number so big. That's Maria. Oh, no one much. When you hear a choke. I thought I'm up a cap. Okay, we're running mirror down. That means I'm quite true. Okay.
My wife! Jesus Christ!
Mr. Man, oh, you okay?
My wife!
Oh, you okay?
My wife!
Hello? I'm boss!
My wife!
Do you know me? Me patron, me boss, me madam. Do you know me?
Yeah, I remember what I say. Oh, I remember what I say. Baby!
Do you know
baby,
me?
Where have you been?
Do you know me? Patron,
you are my wife.
I'm not your wife. I'm somebody's wife.
Me
you'll be here.
You are my wife.
No, I'm somebody's wife.
My wife.
Bra, we okay. You'll be here. I'm somebody's missus. Hello. Bra, okay.
Oh, you're my wife. Baby. Madam. Baby. Okay. Come back to me.
Oh my God. What embarrassment!
My wife.
Bra,
Madam Timbo. Baby, what say?
What is happening, God?
Wifey, don't go. Or Mr. Man call wife. My wife, no, madam, my wife, no, Busado. She's my wife, no. My wife, baby.
I don't know you.
You are my wife.
Me, you'll be Mrs. People are looking
it's
at
me, I am here. Don't hear that. Just look at me. It's me, I am here. Baby, Mr. Baby, make anything, make me go to me party. Baby, Mr. Baby, come on. Oh, wifey, my wife. Oh, baby. My wife, Mr. Baby, don't go, baby, don't go. Yeah, my woman, my wife. My wife! Yeah, my wife! Madam, my wife! Yeah, my wife! Madam! Missy! Where am my wife?
I'm not your wife.
You are my wife!
You're not my husband.
You are my wife!
I'm somebody's wife.
Baby, come back! Baby! Why? Madam, my wife! Baby, don't go! Baby, don't go! Baby! Not again. Oh man, no. You're there, hear me next again. Oh.
Honey, me can't say me pay. And then me call market. I did be a good see and I'm person me no discussing.
What happened? Oh?
Honey, baby, I'm packing my car. We'll be packing my chi. And
Me catch you any pan say want to ne car and free or na me movie. Pen home. At once was an earring in me. You should have seen the scene the guy was creating over there in the market. What did you do much is an earring in me? Me no da. Me honey my whole life crada. My love, I'm serious and you are here kissing me.
Give me a kiss.
I don't want that one. I'm serious.
Listen, I'm just glad and I'm proud to say my wife is so beautiful that when she steps out, everybody is gonna say, "My wife, my wife, my wife." Maybe and maybe one say, "Yeah, will be also na on our dress shop and I and down." So forget. Besides, no, me know I'm moving to me because any couldn't me. So why are you thinking about this? Yeah.
What can I say? But mintimenda me ampa.
No, just forget about it. It is what it is. We'll be intimate. We'll be our my show kawa. I'm a catch him saying I'm my wife.
I don't even know him.
Oh yeah, we are maybe that's what I say. Our home face it. Remember ninya bombe bombe no. Ombe
boy.
Especially. Sa why? Ex ne friend say.
Me ex no.
Nana. Onya bombe bombe no. I get you.
Honey, leave me alone.
I won't leave you alone.
Let me think. Obia stressing me. Now me catch me kuna. Is this what you can say?
You won't say what's I'm atadwe. Sorry.
Oh, sorry, Brana meant to ask.
Yeah, right.
Come here. Let me service you well. Josephine. And me wo T junction me so pay. I'm say mommy be town. I don't know say I go bed here. I'm gonna close to that place. All right, how many can you be back? Sure, girl. Here, just send me to okay, make change. All right, dear. Okay, girl. Best send your bro, and you're a bedroom. Okay, bye. I do my friend. Why?
My wife.
Mr. Man, only baby. Sadia na ndra oyeye e wo market one. Me catch me kunu catch me say e normal. E bia na wudi agro. Etime so fan say wudi agro. And say me hia me wabonten ha me my wife bio. I'm not your wife. Me your be wife.
Obapa, wo ye me wife. Hwe, wo ye me wedded wife.
Me wo hen.
Ti me hwe, Mr. Wo ye me wife. Baby out me home wa me pacho. Yen ko na kwose me ka ni. Yen ko na kwose sanu ma na me nkotene fi.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Then I will pay me ho. Me couldn't see a agro. And trust me, my bra, sorry. Baby, hey, now what you say?
Oh, you're my wife. My wife, and no.
What was he seeing? No, people will be looking. Go be run a shame. I mean, your wife.
Forget to go be run. Oh, you're my wife.
Me forget no. People are looking at me.
Mr. Odi, Dimachini and Kufi me patrol.
Gentlemen, it seems you are having a problem in your head. Trust me, because what you're doing, no mentias here. Why are you doing this?
My wifey.
My wife. I promise I'm not your wife, and I will never be your wife.
Say wifey.
Josephine,
wifey.
Unim, yes, it's a location. No matter how me come back before my wife.
Baby.
Mr. Man.
My wife.
Brano, sorry.
Honey, baby.
Don't know what's happening.
My name Pseudomio Minkua.
Me the Maria again. My men for them. My your favorite.
ATADWE. Daina. Niema hapa. Sabio ye nyina ho kire ntini ya ba be pie fie ha. Se nyame be ya adom ni ye nya bi. Ni ye di bia ma ni fie. Ama fie fo so hu say yes abrabo hia ye bo no. Ye mbo akohwebra. Nani 2 days. The real master si didi matanke kan mani no Daina. Sabio a ho kire na mama ba say you. Enya ho kire a ne wo ban kurom no pa be investment ameya. Oba ninjina kashu kwa be 45 acres ninjina no ne me do a obeko wachi ti Daina me de ma decide se me person frifia
ATADWE
Come free her ya near my con one where that crope a ben mem, die ben mem, no one where my boss showdown. Miss Mempesa make any showdown attend to be out fear.
Ata nya botre. Na nya won ko awo me oba berewa. Sa na 2 days ya okay the same thing. Me so the free store the ba ho no. Juma o didi me store no atani. O se the breakfast in ready. Be hwe na yire na patch o se okona cho. O se me se. Enti atadwe de me kan nyina se me srew. Wa woni twia. Ye neni ye kumase e ba ye busu ni bia ni ma me bi ne papa bia nia. Enti kakra na nyina mfanya yi se be benye skade akọ ekrum. Atadwe me srew. Enkasa okokwa mani nka.
Asem how aya ndi ya odi awre ho wo musa don't know the reason why ntia
e de adwuma bona pa adwuma pa ti kakra kanya me beye
Daina de waka mate say bi we sister panyini mbeto wo fi aso ti meti wo futuo cause we ase de ye de jimi panyini che to de se na wo si kan mate why to de ko ma fabre medi
obedi
wa do ya de
mo ne mo kakra beko
beba beko beba soro ko to boy aba de fo bengra gidin bo fi aba de fo aba de koko beko ne beba ne swe solo korobo ibe fi bo bengra gidin bo fi asala la katara me dem bi
ana nwa
ti mo ho me twa wa
Kuma so the business ni e koso I mean like
nothing no I can see because what's a pampers ya dey Akuma like joke and say, sister, customers ni buba say. I don't even call them no more. Say papa.
You understand?
What that for the best.
You understand? And I made any so a cotton and kasa wo the ball mana.
Yeah, or Junso be break can it.
Be me or the pants one no chrome with the
oh wow.
Sister,
what's wishy business, new business.
And I'm going high.
And I love that. I'm so happy for you.
Sister.
But first, we are being my sick and Miss Cheryl. Baby, I teach her one year son and all. No, on only 20K in the fabric, maybe 10 in the ultimate fine. You know me?
Why are you serious?
Oh no, I'm serious.
If I tell you, if I catch you, no for 20 minutes on coming.
Na so nim so no what's in your boss or better no better. And my name is Danny issue.
Maybe I said them search your dick.
Oh, no, don't say that. Ni searching your dick.
You know one about a brabum card and come out so besh. In Kefian now be a so besh.
And yeah, no man. Which was a noise. No, the searching your dick strict. Akuma, my main come money home.
Are they?
Mene Daina ekuju.
Abrewan,
Abrewe.
Grandma.
Grandma. Sister. Obi apake machi. Na nipa ni metu ne ka. Na mintu me ka.
Ono beku.
Obi na no se na yere ne me.
What?
I'm being honest.
Na yere no.
Asa grass ampa. Na guy ne I serious of it. It was so embarrassing.
Ekuma, ade
na me ka watch and say hwe sama warriors na
ade wa boda man e probably be no new dia agro kuma na obi you that won say ring show
odo
no e be no new dia agro e simple ekuma sa boys na o maba ne sa o
no
omu anu omu
enya agudi o e na de me ya ne say onye obi kura me ni mu na nka maka say bia me childhood friend bi e na me ne wo sa agro
are you serious?
Girlfriend is more than serious.
And no who no say na yere no without no reason
me say I'm for somebody. Man, he said young guy be and yes be a one or sabodani.
Okay,
he's owning his own car. On na packing machi. On betu ne car na kofa sa issue when you buy you. Well dressed, well good. There is nothing wrong with him.
And you told him you married?
I told him, and he was still embarrassing me.
How catch you crazy?
Me bedru ya na. O bedru fie na mbo na mani. And no catch me say, oh, men forget and I say, wait dear, and who it's your no poor and a teacher mirror because I don't get it.
In the same way, you're fan of simple, but are serious? Because how can you see someone like I say, may you know, without no reason?
You don't even know me, I don't know you.
Wow.
Me who are
I don't know Didier Kuma because boys not my band, that's how they act too.
Act?
No, like only in effect. So I also can be a me power down for no, I know I may maybe I go no dear Kuma.
I wish you were there.
People
were looking at me, it was so embarrassing.
Was he high or something?
I don't even know.
Well, Kuma probably maybe I know dear bro, like I said, Kuma we find it serious, yeah. I'm very serious, but I go to Wood, yeah. Come on, let me put my Medjani and Benny.
Young kitchen.
Medjani, come on, my issue. Me never some if I made. Me if I made it to my essay. I come on, my essay.
Fine.
But
Why are you here?
Yeah, I'm here for us to talk.
Did I do anything wrong?
No, nothing.
Then what? What?
Abena, same way no nanka betimi I ever phone so common. But very important to me, you know, I have to come to meet you personally and talking about this issue. I'm not growing younger, that's what I say. And I know my family people are expecting certain things from me. Nyankopon Israel me, wadom me, disika, a fame, whatever. But I can't be back up.
What is that?
I can't eba. And you and I know how far I see it and Abba, that's what I say. And you know, I can be the offer be better and be 20 more. And I promise you, say, oh, accept your offer where we are. I will just do for you. I just want you to give me a baby, a child. And I'm gonna give you $10,000. Say, oh, accept it right now, normal $5,000 for accepting this. Baby, I'm just really ready just to do it for you, trust me. Because I call Fanage home, now me call donation in your ma. I told her and me crano idiareho. Please.
Okay, so this is very tough for me. I have just 2 questions for you. Have you discussed this with your wife?
No.
Secondly, you know, say Map is going to discover Adam to give you a child.
No.
I know we've come a long way, but you know, what worry? And Penana Mine Woche.
I know.
We can't have baby.
No, please, dear. I saw Tim say. That's what I say. Until Japadi winning your mommy win nano. Nami nimenting daddy. I want you to get me this. Nami bear my name day.
Okay, so you have a wife, she can do that.
Listen. Forget about my wife, Semno. Do you know how many times I'm in a try about this? And nothing has happened.
So the fault is from who?
No. We don't know. I'm in a check up Dr. Honum there. I don't know. Listen. Please do me this favor. I really need this.
This is not favor. We're here a tough time,
It's not about tough time.
I'm not ready to have
$20,000.
Forget about the money. I'm just not ready.
No, don't tell me you're not ready. I mean, there are so many girls outside there that meet me a phone, but I know because of me, no, the air building now, secret beer and bar bunting. That's why I say I have to come to you. So please, just look at me. Just look at me.
I'm looking at you, but
I'm not having a child. It's not about me, no, my this. I'm not having a baby. I'm not having a child. But please, just look at me.
No, you can't say because giving birth is the biggest step in our body. What I say, and I'm not ready for that. And I can't give you 100% assurance. No, I'm going to give you the baby, but I'm going to think about it.
No, please.
I'm going to think
you know how much I love you.
So
don't tell me you're going to think about it. Anytime you do ask me for something, I don't say, babes, I'm going to think about it. So why this?
Birth is different from all.
I know, please.
Birth is different. I mean,
just do this for me. So the UK, US crowd, I'm awful. So we go stay. And I'm the audio. I promise you, I'll do my possible best just to do for you.
If your wife finds out,
she will never. How many years have we dated?
No,
listen.
This is a situation at Babybem, so definitely.
I'm a smart man and I know what I got to do if you like.
So you're telling me you know how to play your cards? Alright, I'll think about it, but I'm fine sure it's you recently.
Sweet honey, my wicked
me patona, me wife. Me.
Ah, na brante wade. Who said that we who go away? Me madam said last we share the same thing away. Me madam said me so go kunu.
Me me wife. Your bar me neneti. And Bema me your bar so dey meet me so oba nko dey baby for she's my wife. Mr. What dey me patro. Me patro dey enko na ene me wife nko kasa ma wife Mr. Say baby oten M1 no. Me ne Bema so no metin nko sister no.
Me can't. Me madam no me no matter so many years. We marriage batilia.
Madam, she's my wife. You the wife, madam.
Ah, bra, who you normal?
Me patro, Mr. Madam. O dey yen ko ka say baby otino. Baby otino, Mr. Ko ka say baby otino M1 to the office son in your ma.
Now what we do be here in one dey kwa wife.
No, it is your wife, you na menye. It's your wife. Me more than madam. Eh me
for wife.
Me yen ko den nko kasa ma Mr.
Class adai. And say who come any more so do mo abeto say.
Me go ni waso kwa
mbe. Wa wale o say ka wa dey kwa wo yire.
Madam, on tia say me wife, madam. See, oya me wife, me patcho, mama, and then me wife abedi o mu fie o. Me wife no dey we.
Embarrassment no.
Me patcho, me sro. Esa me dey am obia me.
For
me my wife, I need my wife. Me wife, no.
Hey.
Madam, me patcho team, me sro, madam. Me and your man go kata say baby otene M1 no. Me ne be me wo so na me tira me sro me patcho.
Ti de wo ye wo to mu nti efe.
Me fa oni obi.
Oba wale fo se kawa.
Obi o he me de so obi ati.
Oni ni kru na to ka say wo yire no no.
Obi o he me de so ni kru na yire.
Wo gu awale.
Madam me patcho.
Wo nya normal.
Madam me wife.
Esi.
Entimi hwan esi.
I swear to God.
Entimi nsi na wa so hwe manim sa.
Listen, sometimes I do wonder. Now me say beside me, I say, why am I blessed? I say na you know so na ye mbe ma be 100 na correlation.
Raise
but me timi akon na look at me.
Honey, I say leave me alone. But like joke. Daina chill.
I don't know.
Then I had no.
Me go for some juice being bro.
Sorry.
You panning ideas. I don't know what you said.
Madam, my sister see the other turn on him. Me kwa no is too no intimate na.
Rules and regulations. Speak English.
When I go there, the madam is not around. The one who is selling the sister.
She's not around.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So you were waiting for her. All right. I beg, get me something to eat, okay?
Madam, guy be na dam is na.
Yes. Talk.
Guy na dam is the fair black guy.
That guy.
The Asian. I was in the no.
Oh God.
My session embarrassment. Why you say market?
What you say?
Embarrassment. Why you market when they pay someone? Where's my wife? And I'm saying the wife you are talking is the material, the whole material.
What do you see? I told you.
Again.
Me say na some go to market wo. On na mama chakra room. Me pe say what person who baby awo.
So what did you do, Daina?
I told him that it's a material home.
It's a material home.
The madam is a material home. Material home. Me catch this madam a wallet.
That's the English material home.
That's the So
the embarrassment. Many people, plenty people is around there.
I told
Madam,
you.
Blow.
You see, he's not playing. I was telling my husband the other day what he did.
Yeah.
And now look at what he's doing again. It's what me also.
When I wake up, she follow me. When I wake up, she follow me.
Oh my God.
Because this thing sounds ridiculous.
Like seriously.
Because I don't get it. My wife told me, and I told my wife that she got to just blush it off. Yeah. So you don't worry. We'll find ways and means just to do what we got to do.
Because it's embarrassment.
So the next time you go to town, when she's trying to do that to you, try to report him to a police. You feel it?
No.
Why?
It's not my duty.
It's not your duty. He can harm you. So why are you telling me it's not your
Hammer
duty?
me. It's not my duty.
Hammer you.
Do you understand what he's saying?
Obetimi apra.
Yes.
Obetimi ayo bibi. Etino so oye wo sa. He can harm you. It's not harm.
You got to rush to the nearest police station just to tell them somebody is just talking, somebody is just embarrassing you, or somebody is just harassing you.
She doesn't understand anything.
That's a dorsal.
Miss say, you just explain it.
Or say oye sa bi wo sha no oye sa. Ko police station bi e ben wo. Catch mo say obi epeso ogu wani ma say.
Or tata.
Na say nyame na o boy me na.
She said your madam
is this she or he, you, she, he, she or he.
It's okay.
I mean she or he.
She.
Is he?
Is she or he?
She.
Is he?
Daina, but Daina is saying she, you are saying he.
It's a boy. Daina, Bema he, Oba she.
So she, he.
She.
He, she.
Oh.
She, he. She, he.
Hey, go and get me something to eat. Go.
Daina, go.
Madam,
Hey, get me something to drink.
It's necessary. The way to embarrassment in the market.
Lord have mercy.
This thing is getting out of hand.
I wasn't there today, so that means if I was there today,
Definitely the same thing would have happened, yeah?
so can it be you even went there purposely for me, thinking I may come to the market, right? Oh no, that means stepping out is not even safe.
No, it's safe, don't worry. Nobody can come.
Oh dear, some wa cry do I dear some. Mini and madam for you. I didn't some any quite some yummy who ye.
Challenge their bros.
Some about home, best can you fee.
It's all for bear company, bear trio. Me who's in New York, who's first in Chanel.
Allah! Nothing I get. Here I have now.
Your dress and your day a bag, Mudian, your Zanka. You whisker. Condemned to Gravo! Oh, Charlie, it's
me, I don't miss my feel. Eja, o friend me said this time around, not me in town. I'm so why not? And then my main family, Branham be who send our pom city.
Ah, well, my pom dear Boko, make I know think I'm a friend and say, would you fool me? Why?
You know, so with that sempa. What's with the abna?
And now I won't call, but some of Miss Cobber, almost paid $10,000.
Hey! A big crab so. Ye be asome so abna wani mse wodidi emma mbidi misu mididi a wonya bidi
Mama, I feel I'm a back career 9 months. Emu fe emu atete.
abna nti we serious.
Madam, I am confused. Since I'm person me know so.
Why you confused about what?
About some me babe wo mean onye me kunu me nene babe wo sese. Me so me mature go me diary mu sem pese me worry answer na mo.
Oh no wonder.
Abna
uti ayehye. Hey, and then I did be a grossano. When ya bear ma kama, and you want to call Senny Pure, one of a soap, not on the soap, no one knew as I saw one year. One him so year. It is what the way out to any opportunity can say, won't grab it. Oh, Bemana cover catches it, damn Ben and when you 9 months. Hey,
no more no, you're Beja Corano.
Well, Gina coin one a wool breastfeed, you know. Oh, shark crana, copim tama crana cassa, a ben who say, oh, meet me a jar, meet me, I say, no crown. Can who so bano? On your has citizen. Oh, I won't be a UK. American baby. Europe. Oh, how anything. Abna,
media worry, no, the same can be worry and son of my.
Eh, if you are so bad, bien wa. Nation it seems so be worry answer na wawo. Be enya wonsusu ye. E na de bia wo benya. Enya de wakoma precision na benya. Mame, me de me two fu sa adamfo nua. Opportunity na aba na grab it. Won grab it.
Ntu one mama 100% support say me wo.
Mame, me ma 100% so mama full taze. Me body we nyina.
The way me city na makwa akonye ma bra me nware wa wonim the way o muka o.
Abena pokea. Wo tia de obi kan. No ani pakro na wo bele wo ho no. Wonim onu bleeding no onu so bleeding. Wonim de o go through. He ewia so bie no nkomo ni ne ho. Ti so obi du ho nkomo no refer ma ne se ma me nkomo wo ho bebro sa wo list ya ma na. E bia de no kresa. He mame. Se wo ntimi a wo de anyem ye nche magi atuma ma ho.
Mimi besusu ma asem wa chewa wo baba beji ato.
Wo da fia jade wo mo ni da wo. She wo be di ama mbie di no. Wo betie di obi ka. Na nipa ko no who are those?
Who are those? Hey, famous steady one. And they are crabbing him. Don't yammy. And then they need them. Milk folic acid, a to vitamin E in Nama. Obey him. Oh, Prapra, the Praprim. Eminia. Here, Radia does. And yeah, me dear. Me wona oh yes me ma kra no for me pumping ho and now dey jai me am me di abamduro me bo no for ma kra no abena me ta wachi o na just wo dey nsem fu kwa dey me ta wachi ma ba aboso madani jata me da wano. Who are those? Let them come. Faboso.
Yeah, baby. Me do ya maunkuwa. E baro sen kura. Na oya mi say the crowd of ita. Enti sre kakra chemye. Me do fopa. Sweet honey, ma wajidi NCP. Wayentem.
If you have seen my wife, if you have and I'm a wife too.
Abena maswaya she. Now what day? Your flower won't pick you reasons in see a mere Miss me turn it off me baby and send me pee. Where the fashion me mistro. Me the miana me your son and why that reminds me. Young yeah. So when you may Matsimenim now here dear no eshe Ade. And be ma bibi ne nsa yo. Bibi ben. Bibi ben na kan wasem. And them. Amade ne dem. Me boy no. Me ne na da ma. O pigu mu kra na mitimi crush me na 3 hours kra na mimie mu. Nyi nsa ne mma. Emba na se one medru. Mobi a wose me nkwoji nyi nsa nje $10,000 e bi peso so no me da akọ no medru. Nyi nsa ne ba na emma. Akwa no me de me hu ni so oyare. Oyare? Na je se fault ni mfiri na yere. E me so me de abena sika na ewo mu ni so pa de me masika we mfa ye kon ho dawo. Nene no kwa na. Lalai. Ni su wo ho $10,000. Ama se se be de. Okay, fine. So we boy ya na ne no once an ko hia brai. So woni ninja e kra. Ama ka asema we boy ya na adwene nyotene ne nsa na obo nipa me menya me ho atete me nsa ko obi e. Abena mi wo fufu na anom ho kwan. Wo mpeska no. Se we nya fertile de oye fertile no ade na nko no ne ngum na mfa nko ha nko diska. Ama me mfa obi ba nko ma. Forget the oche na yi ene wiasme ye wo ye so mo hye mma no mu nyina na mma na ye omo dia. Abonim sa de na mema ko ye na ehu o. Abena esa ye nimgu asesem. O ko fa hemfa na ehu. Ohu a ka chanse wo kra wadom no wage no. Efa nimgu asiem. Die na bem. Die na biambem. Chimbem. Ama embem abena se de wo se ye de giska na no ana maka kire wo no. Me dey ama we dey misro.
Osuro he.
Me pescan so me dey with decision we dey me mfa.
Wo ye den wo be fa maame. She me no di agro no. Ye beje. Naji ye beje. Eto be masika we afa akon ho.
Ono so akwan no so me pamu ni me didi na temu ne me da akon ho.
Obeye da akon ho we ye bibi kitsuwa bi. Ye mpa achew.
Me nkopa sa akwa we achew.
Wo de jama.
No me ye no ho boss.
Me a me pa achew. Abena na wusika na didi agro sa no.
Me nkwan na me de ama me de sa me obi ba odi komo obi ni de ehun.
Mame. Ene nkrofo ni nkrofo e hye nkrofo mama wo mo. Ni di nda so se ye ne ba so na enya ne ba. Yenya ye bo mpan se ma akwa ne nyare gidigidi na de na mpiem. Afi moja betwi moja na enya wo moja. Jade oye ne no nya kwan.
Bibisa na nya ho ansa no de mam no. Me se kwan ne wo hwehwe no wo fie ha ya.
Me pacho. Asena me ka no opese me ka asem be ne tiro bi ma automatic.
Me se kwan ne wo hwehwe no.
Me se me hwehwe me yire so just go and call my wife for me.
What is the name of your wife?
Jenko aya me yire wo de.
O yire ni din de san.
Ka che se me yire me kunu fro no mra.
Because Daina wo aka se wo yire Daina nkan tren se wo yire. Nti hwan no yire bodini to am bodini. Bodini so. Na wo Daina also their life no. Nti wo kunu no won kan tren so wo kunu Daina. Jaje.
Baby girl. Me yire me sro odo. Hwe wo de tie me. Ene ba me ba no do yo me sro. Kono ko sisa oni o ma ne di machima yinku.
Bra, ade na uye mi se wo kumani ma se wa ponten. Wo sa follow up, o ye den kwa hu mi fi.
Madam Pacho, wo no hwehwe wo no.
Me.
Oh no, your manage material chamai.
No worry. How many times do you want me to tell you?
Me nim say worry because ukunu ne me na me yire no me Pacho.
Hey, boss, okra ba ha.
Honey. Honey, this is the guy I was telling you the other day.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, boss. We dey me Pacho.
No, shut up when I'm talking. What do you want here?
We dey me sro say wa ba ne me yire nkasa na nko sesa na nyoma no ni machima yinku fi.
So whatever my wife was telling me no, it's true, yeah?
Now you believe me.
Your wife. My wedded wife is your wife. You don't even know her name. So how possible is that?
Me nim din kwa na oye me yire.
Now what some na wo kan?
Me nsia ni wiase da kra.
What did you talk
oye me yire me sro. Ene ne nkasa odo.
Hey, shut up. Don't be silly, don't be stupid. How dare you call her Odo?
No, cause be money.
When I came here, no, me go in a polite way for you. My friend, get out before I lose my cool.
My bam is hey,
don't be stupid. Why are you standing here? Hey. Don't touch me. Come on, get out. Hey, gentleman, hold my phone. Are you stupid?
Boss.
No. Don't be silly. Get out from my side.
Boss. Hand over to me.
No,
hand over to me. Wait. Hey.
Not so we go out to me.
Hey, go and move out. Odo me sro. Don't.
Jump, boss.
Come here. Hey, come here. Stupid guy. I want your wife. I tell you that. Master. Get out. Come here. Who's your wife? Stupid guy. Come here. Come here. What are you doing there, stupid guy? What are you doing there? What are you doing there?
Honey.
Nonsense.
Honey, come on. Honey, breathe in. No, honey, breathe in.
How dare you?
No, breathe in. Breathe in. Honey, breathe in.
Come here.
No. Attach your don't. Honey, breathe in. No, you breathe in and breathe out. I'm ready.
I'm okay.
No.
Stupid people be alone. Hey.
Me oba kura me inside Daina nti no oba. O de nyira.
What say? Well, madam na nam na no odi eti. Madam nim no be.
She told me, yeah. I thought she was kidding.
Nonsense.
She wasn't kidding.
I have to report him, yeah.
She wasn't kidding. She was just an operation. She wasn't kidding.
Master.
She wasn't kidding.
I don't want to.
Come on, she wasn't kidding.
I beg you.
She wasn't kidding.
I think you come.
Sorry, boss.
Let's be cool, yeah.
She wasn't kidding.
I'm yours. No one is taking me, okay?
Why?
Let's go.
I don't even know him.
Nobody will marry you, okay? Or you will marry you, okay? She wasn't kidding. I was even infatuating of myself. Oh, girl, damn shit. You gonna fuck shit, man. Huh?
Somebody want.
No one is there.
Na say now no me madam na market. Ana kwado hu ye tintina me yire na madam.
Abra woni ni ba bia.
Woni ba bia o.
Me o kan ne yire kura me nin se wo kura ne se bia wo nsa to.
Na me se be twabla.
Why the?
Na me travel one
ka bra he fa o de opa ma minya wo hwe. Se na mesi anye wo no. Hey. Ah. Nothing should be all of a sudden no wini baby as a way. When you nyame ne pattern na ka me nkwa ofianka kwa bekum pe.
STANNA.
I don't know now this time.
I better not meet me at this time. About what happened.
The other day, me catch her. So I met this guy at the market. Who said me in Trasso? And he was me brushing it off. And I don't have any idea how he got to know our house.
Listen, we all got past experience, what I say, any past mistakes. I'm your husband now, is what I say. I thought that me the new me be a me ye past na can me yes is what I say. I didn't see a man telling why be someone so why. Okay, chairman, no catch so it's nothing. But mentias say guy need me Tracy ya be home baby out our case no wife ede eno. Abna just tell me the truth. Asem we eba ya no ne de kan ne sika ne de ka. Tell me the truth. Ni ma bibia anya okay. Na me find way say me because me catch say me refer police no say no minjai. So let me know what it is.
Honey, what are you trying to say?
I'm not trying to say anything. What I'm trying to say is just tell me the truth. Ebia or S no be ebia way back. No, because I don't understand. I don't understand certain things here.
My lord, say me exa and can me catch on. Me catch was a me share me ex be. But I didn't use that word. Me ni panet that we are baby.
Onse nipa will so many ways just to trick people.
Oh God.
Onimsa asem ne besi nti odi kan bo amane ansa. Please tell me the truth. Me mpese ye be me hu yanka because you know me. Just tell me the truth.
The only mistake I made and say also call for police and I'm CJ. Aside that no, honey, before God and man, me kada worry me. Me nimu ne da. I've never met him before. No, hold on no. Come to think of it. And now worry me because of nothing I mean to me Hana. Is he the cause? Oh my God.
Honey, baby, my name's
Daina. Yeah, somebody's at the door.
I'm coming.
The crowd of it.
The red JD.
Bro.
What's up, bro? You looking good, man. That's what it is, bro.
Sister,
brother, sit down.
No, I should give you water or I drink.
I don't come for.
Oh, no, what's that? Yeah, setting rules and regulations with your hand.
Are you okay?
I'm not sick, I'm fine.
No, what's your offer when Swana said?
That was also me, the other person, bro.
No, it is what it is, bro. Hello. Daina, come here. I think that I'm going to the output on Tiki Ako. I think that.
I don't know. I don't know. Oh, nice.
Cocktail, I think that she'll be fine. And cocktail, right? No, listen, don't bring this thing here, please. It's no, it's okay. Daina, it's okay, it's okay. Hey, you'll be my man. Or Kakumi sisters.
Oh, you don't know.
No, brother.
Now be able to say,
brother, forget about it. Brother, longest time, bro. What's up? Charlie, you looking good, oh man. Longest time.
Bro.
It's not my fault, brother. I only said business in a way, up and down, stress, and that's where they do.
Charlie, I'm not a drill.
Really?
Because you were coming down, what I say.
Mandem! Charlie, hey.
And I was learning so awesome, but I'm.
Oh, yeah. But
I'm everything is nice there, so Charlie. The band was some banana over doing 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Is everything me man, my dog, boy, I made it from day one.
Any man. Yeah, Charlie.
Then I was feeling.
Oh, Nyamiadom, the way, pa.
Yeah, but now I'm sure they be a bulletin about Kubi. But now they also touch your tomb now, I check. The warrior, bro.
Brother, we just hoping for the best, what they say. Still now,
no, I don't get you. I mean, by now, he's pregnant, though.
Daina, I said cocktail. I didn't say Coca-Cola.
I lost.
No, cocktail. Please take this back and bring him cocktail. It's okay. Now I'm going to I'll take coke. No, I'm say coke.
What's the cocktail?
Me say cocktail.
I'm cocktail. What's a cocktail? That way.
What's the cocktail? So coke no tell.
Are you serious?
Daina, okay. Let me send me them pen to the cocktail brand. Why?
I said we buy a mudru. Let's go back to that issue because
bro, it's not easy. I'm trying my possible best. What I say.
Is there any problem?
No, there is no problem. I called doctors one now. I'm saying me okay, but we are just hoping for the best, brother.
To mean chat to begin here,
brother. I mean, we meeting Goro. Sorry, I say. Brother, you know what it is. Way back SHS, one and the baddest. Sorry, I say. But once mean for so born in Boyan coupon. Lord knows the best.
For sure, because warrior, but now I send up with you. I mean,
brother.
When
this time is right, the Lord will surely make it happen. She's coming.
General.
Maybe what do? And I'm doing so. But you are the sister.
No beefing, yeah.
No. I said no. Do you know me?
No, brother.
No. Also,
Daina, listen, brother. No, brother. No, please. No.
I don't know.
That's her.
African word.
STANNA. Yeah. Now, so so two gates man also. They say the same. So I say. Me pacho.
Also, you want to say.
Ameda.
You are Meda.
No. Opa so wenyini. She's grown up. She's old woman. That's what I say. Sing your favorite song and let him hear. Yeah. Your favorite song.
Anyone new like this?
Oh.
Anyone new like that?
I heard that part of it. No, so heard that.
On your other party, so you're grown woman.
When you need?
55 years.
I swallow it, so gone.
It's okay. Obedi Bibiana non propose. Brother, let's cheers and. When you draw cocktail, bro. Abna, Adina, why no? Before God and man, or catch them, no. Because I was like, wow. So upon all this one, you wanted a baby from me, and look at this.
You wanted a baby, not me. You not propose and never accept. So don't say something like, I say, na me pese you won't be.
No, I've not said that.
Because I didn't give you the right answer right away.
I'm just imagining me baby see a looky fly girl with both legs with you see nice body and you know it is what it is, man.
Sunday for 5 years. And
it's not about me seeing for 5 years.
To
you see, anytime you're looking attractive and nice, that's why I can't stop being with you.
Hey. Baba, come the bema.
See
the flashing words you're giving me.
Unse, nanke say me executive meeting you Dubai, but because of you I can't go because anything bia me da me rentia na wo body na don't me face.
Men slogan.
Oh, it's not like that.
Me worry me.
Abna me nyame nyankopon se bi wa mistake. Se wa mama hu ntem.
Why you want that lumba or for pa man them for any?
Oh yes, sir. Yes, I really don't start your thing here. Anyway, I like your dress.
Thank you. One fashion me.
No
chocolate.
No.
When him say me pay. Oh, but definitely I will ask you.
Please, no chocolate. So yeah, say ubenye bi online near order.
So when him time now? 9:34 p.m.
Yeah. And then she I got to go.
You got to what?
I got to go.
Leaving.
Yeah.
Uncle baby, today.
Abna, listen. Don't start this thing here.
I shouldn't start what?
You know, say me here no pay fear. Me you lose na me you lose. So I start thinking something.
Let your wife have a baby for you.
No, please. Just calm down and let's solve this. And you finna hanum no be in seminar and I let your wife have a baby for you need it.
Because you don't want to spend the night with me.
Hey, almost a bono no.
Me alone with you know the uncle baby, you're not going anywhere.
No, then let me
go
call.
No,
listen, let me call her. When I call her, I'll just tell her, say, baby, because of this and that. That's why. No.
What are you talking about?
So what should
I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, commander.
Go wash down.
I could see STANNA.
Are you going to wash down? That's all Bekasa.
Me in office and I'm more commander. Me yes, yeah, look at you. Why am
I'm waiting for you. Me driving a bit told me. So I'm waiting for you.
This is what is killing me.
Go wash down.
I'm in love with it.
Make no and born a 6 crowd one thing that.
That's why Wally.
My friend also on fancy at least. Person me who saw your key crown, I be a. On what's in the panning crana say, or more excuse we are.
And it all can woman. But Madame relaxed.
Relax.
I relaxed. Be over.
Okay.
Once on chess, now our friends also.
You go so fresh so long.
Uncle.
On fa.
Even when you're emergency.
At least he should tell me something, millionaire. Oh, Sabia, me person met my no crab cam on it.
Madam, now, but every could be an emergency meeting and also sweet my sir.
Okay.
Every meeting be cost society
meeting.
That's right. So, Madam, now, but my temperature and from Kakra. As the way I may throw out your show, and so nipper pressure and I'm used to Mr.
Also,
oh, they're corner last Kakra.
Mean quite our
call last Kakra. Oh, so must on your bizarre weber.
And my worried no. To say once and there, we are saying whom we should say be
anion. My madness in fear.
It means being said be anion.
Be anion, some master said your Nacola. And I baby will be your emergency call. Into the call last head of about Opio Cran head or Cobeba. The patters what must say.
Media piano appearing have Miss any safety.
Oh, any safety near.
Any safety near your home. Okay, would you make a cocoa dry?
That's right.
Okay, would you make me could dry?
Madam Dope Master. This must be a kid to even on mine now. Who temperature quiet.
Baby, me name Sel Domio, baby. Yeah, baby. Me do ya ma unku.
Bye, people.
E baro sen kura. Now ya me say the crowd of it.
Hey, master! You are welcome. Madam! Madam! I told you so.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure you're fine? Are you okay? Oh my Lord.
Trust me, I'm okay. Come here.
Come here.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Honey, what happened? You weren't picking my call.
Yeah, I'm very, very sorry. Once me of all people wouldn't do this. But Namune, your point, once I now must say way back as the chest get together. Until now I say it's not saying no. So I'm not good at alcohol.
Yeah.
Me name the Omodiso Muma, me Caribbean and Namune say, penny my men drive. It was Remian or they me come fear. Me sorry how much I'm. Don't say what for me, sir.
I
was so scared I couldn't sleep.
No, don't worry.
I was restless.
Safety Jenny. Safety Jenny.
Okay. Andra, she was the one who encouraged me to sleep.
Really?
I told you that sleep, relax.
I miss you.
I miss you more, my dear.
So master, but I'm going to pop on quite more.
Yeah.
So what's the hangover?
Hangover, I know it's a hangover.
Be behind the fridge for the meantime.
No, honey, you need to.
Alcohol,
it's not good for him. Honey, young corner could drive. Daina, you tell I can't find a day in me, no, for Banchi Siso. Fufu is best. They want to. Let me take you inside. Oh, I'm so happy and glad
I'm happy just to see my wife.
My husband is back, and I'm also happy.
Gentlemen, look, see. Say, oh yeah, dear. It's because of my wife. I wanted to report you to the police, but she told me, said, babes, here. Brother, stay away from my wife. Stay away from my family. Get out from here.
Nyanto was here, and the banana me buy and Nyanto Kona me no babeko. All the time, I keep on telling you, say, the wife, I be do one of the
Excuse. What's that? What's the wife, I be here?
Yes.
Who is your wife?
On my wife, and it's intimate ceremony, and the bar, Mabano. We a Bema, me a Bema.
What's the name of your wife?
She's my wife.
I said, what
is the name?
She is my wife.
Are you sick or something? How can you come to somebody's house and be claiming, say, or you know what I say?
Brother.
Eh, were you correct? Is everything normal?
Me pacho then no.
You asking me something, then do you have the right to ask me something, then do you have that right?
Don't be stupid. Get out from my house.
Mr. Ode.
Don't beg me for nothing.
So you can see somebody's wife. No one claim me say, oh dear, YEBOAH. Brother, ain't see.
This one, I don't make a tron.
Oh, umi abema no. And you Mr. So umi abema no dia catch the say. Me say, untimini ubi wife. Entinasa.
Master, put your hands down.
Put
your hands down.
Brother,
what do you mean?
See.
So be fair, but see a big rope if you're not a man warning. Who born you by mistake? Who told you to come and do this stupid thing here?
Brother, you want to be a thug. It's because of this thing. That's why I've put everything aside. Once upon a time, I was the baddest ever.
Really?
Don't try to cross your limit. Because when you cross it, shit will happen.
Bro, don't waste your time when me entering into him. As simple as that.
Get out.
My entering into him.
And I don't want to see you near here again.
Welcome at me, but just get to know, say, my wife and a tone channel, and there is no way, say, we'll be wife.
Eh, who your wife will be our get out. What do you mean you have a wife here? Are you sick or something? Ubo bi fia be mani pa kon won say oyewa abra ana na mo so sansan bi say
say ana meka no oba no me ye o say obi de she bi na adwene kan e bia say e bia this and that, but the next time I'll be crossing the limit bi me my law na di
we ain't to buy we simple. Don't waste your time on this guy.
I say my wife Becca chairman, I thought say she was just joking until say on step on the foot here or
oh until when no hu no kroma no all hanesan. Because all harassment, this is purely harassment. Or harassment, to me, to bra.
My wife be born my money, no. Or kind of cast no, where they say only one am dear, or beer to make us in a now, may house help on Daina should be repeated the same thing. Every year meet Hano ma meti ye have to step down. Me ko ti akwa ne mu kasa. Me yere sisa onyoma na be sene enko. So once me taking the cool e the Emma me taking the cool, he was still insisting and I'm saying like how? My wife, come and let's go, brother.
I didn't wear day, ni pan wear day.
Brother, me name the
no sorry. When I chimpana pen, I say or no more giant. I said,
me say then you know me name my wife, me sitting it down. I asked her so many questions.
I don't know na board frab one thing you walking all the way from Nifia Bahanum say, oh no, like me, I mean Tim was you. I don't wear day,
brother. Me beside my wife so many questions.
So no ban, they're not catching one. Okay, then
why no? Discipline or about me. I don't think so. Best upon the foot.
No, to be born if you catch me.
My wife.
For what reason? I don't
my wife. So they all said beginning now me here in the cast and the chair now. I says, oh no, it's Daina so the boss. I was like, it's when this guy came here and I thought say, oh, okay, one gonna cry then I grown put already. Oh, the or be say on the father and for.
Yeah.
Pushing now, this guy want to show say it is what it is, and I'm saying, hey, my brother.
In the first place, wife when meeting.
No,
when him getting for nowhere.
No, when him wife pray, you no one say me.
As some okay, that's me anka say me ntime ho ase. But when him, wo dia da say guy no be fia no. Nyam telephone na bet na dem. Na man nsanom, na frame me said na mu ni say ni nipa na ba. Na me mfo ni koso me hu nipa kro na say bi ono person ojo wife room say because me I don't understand.
Jordan, it sound no weird kakra. I wanted to report him to the police, but my wife catch him say
police gonna tell me.
No say
no.
We can't take the laws in our hands.
That's
what I said.
The police on me. I'm more than police, and I can handle that guy because on why?
Because on
who's he?
Listen, okoye bi na bibi since is here na go to the station na.
I question me and say abrantie. Girl now on name no one. Odi no. Wonnim ni din. Bon mo no din pa. Ona si. I for no nim girl no want ma kan so na problem on tin we police em biem. Ma me handle issue no to oba ha fro na me hwe ni pakro. Send it on to so person ojaware no fru nsam.
No. My wife will be intimate. Jimmy wife in free me. I'm just maybe you say me and as I'm sad, say baby boy no is abnormal. You feel it because as I'm looking at him, the way I was addressing, I don't see.
I don't know addressing.
What drip can offer a race course chains in Libya.
As of a band and
Bongris.
And I got me say more market for boys now. Don't some one.
I say PZ to you may be one brother. Let's go
bro,
outside.
I say my confused.
Don't be confused.
Wonim. What's up with fear the bombardier from say bia Jordan boy na ba fear. Na me fa na me to level because
Daina.
Yes, I'll be fear be kwan.
Daina.
So wow. Daina.
What are you doing there? Daina. Come I want to you mean you be bia opera.
The piano as we soon. What then when are you village ala? You always crying. Why? What's wrong with you?
It's
Effect.
I don't tell movie ala.
Daina, what me can dialect be na me cry na me yema sheme. I don't know what's it?
They are cost Madam Diana.
Oh, don't worry.
Everybody
knows what is going on here. Yeah,
na muti mi pa no. Who fear so we then?
Brother.
If you don't want to say you don't know then come. Asem say o fight for your boss, you know.
It's okay. Dana, do you know something today? Me person will feel okay. I don't want you to prepare for the air. So I said my wife back I said today I want to go and eat outside. You feel it? What? No, are you crashing on me? Are you crashing on me? Hey, brother, she loves you.
You love me?
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah.
You love me.
Sing a love song for him, yeah?
Baby.
Hey, now what do all like you? Masa.
We're not fantasy in the monopoly. But you say you love him. Better. So, Daina, as I said, no, the woman will be here, and my mom family can wife. I want you to eat outside. Daina!
Hey, Boss are down for you so the when you so what send they was boss na toma wudi. Be kokoti be jina na. Hey. They be aso no shoe back.
Okay. Na me down.
Obeda. Abna. On say ewiase. You can't be on your serious pay. On your serious wa brabo.
What do you think of some?
Abna ti da. Me who signs beer a chese wo de ebi kwa wo 1 week pregnant.
Wow, by some sisters akosise no say and me who usade makacho sicha. Busansa.
Oh, na se minim wo. Sa happy na wo o nchen kwa so be mama ba se wa be fafo na frɛ me. Abo mama ne.
Ka me na kwa twomye.
Aso
me free one na me call old stock no.
No.
Se ne be ya nyinsa ne ba na ye check month na emfa nim guase aba.
Pepe. Who you wa?
Nti my hair wi. Ye chance nyinsa ne be ba na akwa
$1,000. Abewie. Me see we me ye ho akontre. Me be ye fasting and prayers. Me 40 days and 40 nights.
But chale me dem should am vim.
Uni vim. Abna this not about vim semu. Hey, just order o krampa de pa.
Amanye sa obi ba odi komo obi di.
Ene ye den. Esowan. Ekon hemfa. Abna pokua. Woni mu nkrofo ehye nkrofo ma enyo mo dia. En ko de fato nchange ai kan.
Na me kwa me de me say suro say. Inti se me de sa akwafun we ba Kumasi kani na da achi bia onu so musa akra ne se no ne betwe manso wa wonim de we akwa
e ko sane we hin se onu wa bo ade na toma wi ukuni onu a na ebegugu so obegugu so ama ne bibia fa no akra ne so yim ka no ye ene don't worry na me de me empire me bo ane se ade we entom etom no start so discane ma wa ejapade properties. No was started the year a coach they be crana and a 2 not say and a pascal. Abna, lose you what gain.
Hey, Minia, who yansa. As if I who boy,
Minia, me draw shama. Some me ya, and no answer me against me jealous. And what says and Camina Camina plans now me the beg grab mediano, medemount.
Let's just say Nunguas any crab crana me will come or one no fear and cobe.
Dear no be yo.
Hey, Ama.
Dear Nembada. Say your banono. Dear Ubet me at me. You can't.
And I will so can you mean quamine first person be better to me.
And no crash or cry on your saints. On your holy. Or what you and on no champion. And I wouldn't say, not critical crown. I wouldn't mean you because me because hey, when Jammy Honor. I saw 2 hours.
Say, bet you say we a married man at now. We're a home. Because when say me, I mean never but I said say I cry ya kasa mo me moral.
Abi na vim no ni cry yet me kodwom ye bo radwom ya toto vim. Assault ni ya bo awra mu.
Nti no mo kasa kala ye to no store no. Enye internet asem.
Abi na se ye mbom paye. Me mpaye metia, mpaye me bo ane se ade na waye no. Eso beba mfa so. Shit.
Ya dana me ne koyen Messiah.
Tuji
ma klebi bia.
Abena
na achim se me kwato to follow anyway.
I hope say o yes so da ho be 2 hours. One sorry Uncle Johnson amunum wa.
Two hole
we no Johnson do kran wa jiro.
Oh me da hot there.
So dia ona sorry Uncle Johnson. I trust you.
Hey! Why you man, Massa? Now, hey! Don't tell me, Massa! Massa!
Gentlemen, the battle. Hey! Go inside, hold on. Never from my wife, Mamma. Can't tell me, say, all the sudden you know, never from the coffee. I am here because of my wife.
Calm down, boss. Bema, we're okay.
Gentlemen.
You're okay. You just answer me. Are you okay?
Sama, you had not been to panic. Not been to panic.
Pacho, wife no come once. Who is that wife you're talking about?
Listen to me. I don't owe anyone an explanation. The main reason I'm here is some wife.
Come down, let me talk to you.
Don't touch me.
Pacho, Bema, who tell me?
Hey!
Obana can have 7. Company would in say impose what to what they are. My young or your goose near my young and the crown for so push again with him. You being assembly I don't want anyone on explanation. The main reason why I am here is Mr. Wife, and I'm asking you inside on your mama. Hey, master, leave me. Stand, come down. No. What do you know? Boss, overturn South Bombing. Boss, no. Stand, come down. Only my wife in the temple to my South Bombing. Master, are you serious? That be don't. Who is serious? Obi wife was saying, "Oh, you're saying, see me? Don't that girl over there. Finger on me again. She's my wife. Allow me to go inside. Master, allow me to go inside. No,
guy.
I will shoot this guy.
No gun. Hey, get out.
Hey,
Fanny P.
Walk out.
Fanny P.
Mama, walk out.
Fanny P. Walk out.
What are you doing there? I'm not going anywhere. What are you doing there? Walk out. What are you doing there? Master, walk out. What are you doing there? Listen to me. Come on. What are you doing there? Leave me alone. What are you doing there? Stupid guy. Walk out. Tell him, stupid guy. Come on. Walk out. Allow me to go. Master. Allow me. Don't touch me. Master. She's my wife. I'll shoot you, yeah? What is she's my wife? I'll shoot you. Come here. Stupid guy. What's up? Is that you work here?
I don't work here.
I told someone people work here. I don't think what's sir. You don't work here.
Obi Sansanya Jumawa. Let me say Anya Jumawa.
Yes, we have to report this guy to police.
My wife said, listen. No, what? No, master. You. Take my wife. Come here. Stupid guy. You think I'm kidding, huh? What friend? Come here.
I am not kid.
Don't be silly. Come here.
Me, I am not kid.
Come here.
Talk for me. I am not kid.
I am not kid. Someone can just enter here and then disturb you.
Me wrong guy.
Wrong.
Opa me ni baby.
I said wrong. Change yourself. Wrong. Change yourself.
I change myself.
Wrong shoes no. Na me kill case no. Omo America me dia ba. Me ni police phone na be ya omo ma bill. Wo hu bonda. A police phone na mo sign. Say nya de say sahaba bia wo kono be ko hobium. So we are where there. Confia some na make na ma nko wasum. Let's enter your ears. Nous parler donc regarder encore. Ma nko wasum. Me siraw. Na ye me ya. Se manti asem ntem. Ama ye de wo to ma de ache. Ti me siraw mo ni na ho. Bisa o ka no park no way. Park no asi. Me siraw computer team yi. Team enko bill. What is me catch no? Enko na enko ka.
Dada gas wo be aduane na fe no wo be no aduane no. Daina so na say esuro pa. Bibi ni an wa ne quick. Say wo hu. Adwuma ye na ekoto sole o. To dem a wo koto sole a wo sane fifire nyina no. Na aduane na wo umu nyina no. Na atwa me good mood. Ade a che de sen so ne ni nipa ye ni. Wo say.
Wo de seven class some de nyama.
Me nyam class ma de bua no waka no kre no. Wo hu.
Atadwe. E yakofo
Hey, mbeka mami mi ndi kan ntompo nchi ni wi.
Me ne be di abede no.
Wani abere srem.
Hey, Atadwe. Asam wo.
Fa.
Wo be di say. Akobi na obefi aso otata madam.
Ai, me hwehwe anyere.
Me hwehwe no.
Why de?
Master tinatu.
Wo say?
Master rocking atum. What's no atum.
Oh, jaya agoro bi ana ya keka.
Na wonim fi asam se me omudi nkokra mete. No be bia mete. Master ti mi akolock no ama akwanda prison.
Like seriously?
I'm frustrated.
Akwana oduabo odiche. Oduabo too much. Me say na no. Nyame nko asa ko we man comedy wura yin sadan kai say bayi madi. Oduru gate na no be wura man me tam say. Nkukuru ne ko soro. Se ka bi si me ne to ne to hwe na bonte.
Wa ujina we.
Nyame nkuru no. Say ni munya duro. Kenke so odi tofin. Akwani nti odi tofin na ni so ani hatu na dey na oba no hade tofin.
Akwani so normal.
Oya normal. Then now, Banner and of Frito into when you be ending. To open any more, I have one and time to say.
Not so.
Hey, can you see me? Yes, I can see you. Until you had the mini hano. No, by your obedience, I must have a bachelor.
Madame, I don't know, Kwan,
Daina, we are seeing here when you be being secret. We are seeing here one. The being secret, I think, as well, the frank so. A quasi bruni say, no matter how the degregates have to be degregates, you have to concert first. Hakuano. We are no word, Bruce. When is in 419 fraud of scamming for they say, Madame has coming at Jiniska. Hey, now Kwana Babedru Ghana, or Pekwanan, Ntunim, we are no one, not doing Yanis and Nene, Madame, into what bedroom now when you're Quadi.
That's what Peter says, Madame, what's that presenting?
Madame and Pana or on bay online dating.
We are not dating or presenting, why not?
Yes! The date online. To open concurrent circle, Madame naked videos. When say Benny was an I be say one be shaky but to be but any be any be say no. Share. Madame and Panano. Because a bit mine of painting a won't quan and nippon or power the phone and I may my uncle. Madame Panama say, Madame Panano, say. Said the last time we sent Madame chatty. It's men fresh work at Saturn. No one picture was I never see no. Ntina say akwa ba kwa ndaye mani hu se no akwa nie no ne can love you, I'll never leave you, I'll marry you.
Madam so yes because who handsome guy
obien sa kwa na mba Ghana da se sa na ya say ni
so mo je aboche fu sikadi
sabi se mo bu abrochiri sa na ndi si o se
wo bi wa he
abrochiri
e afa ntutu yi wate
be wo de nyame de no kore ni so ma ho ka no o kai se ya wo be tere kwara o Daina nti mo nya wa kono kakrampo e no wajimana
ATADWE nti wo ba bere wana
o fa jimi frako o ya bere wa me ya bere wa ni akokoro ina nya adokume sebi o ya house girl nya house boy dia nefe ye de to master ni mo no abefa ho ka obesenya amaye ka
me mpe o
wonya de
me pretty lady
lady eni jimi pretty one sana pretty man ya na pretty lady
me pe be ma papa
ani ya pretty man ya pretty lady
o chire
banko squander me pe wa bie wani kakra so obeche
for asem kwa
ya bia ne tane me de brambi ni na kwa
awoto am asa monchim
yes brother
I don't come on come akra
oni mi won komo okay ada you here skabiana na enema bia san o kitchen
bachelor
bibia you okay o
bachelor
all right that's it
madam pacho de nya bufu de ekoso sabi efia ti anya bone de wa woni maye no akwese obe nimia na me se abranti obaya wo tatawe madam onye sure se wagigi ni sika bi edi na wo tata wo peso wodi ni sika nti wo yesade no
Daina hold on
man ka bufu
me bofu I am a woman say what me abamani ebebisa me saasem na adwen ne kra adwen be ne ba otim eye den na sa adwen we kra tima beto otim wadi me honkomo bi ana na bikru na ani obi di me honkomo na ateye na ebia wo fa kwa bi so be yi masotira na asedan
da binyami o ATADWE na be ka kire me say madam se kra wagigi boy ni sika di ntina wo yesade no
ATADWE ko friend bra ko fa ATADWE bra me o me bu fuye na se me bu fuye me bu afuda but I prefer the brand. No, what is really going on? My house girl confronting me. Me could confronting me. ATADWE.
Madam. It's your water shaky. Anything can happen.
What did you read?
Unyan weird piano.
If you kakra say, and you're ready cry.
Kakra.
Madam, why no more your brutal kakra and your quilly? How do you ask Munyi Bikura? Baby, a first name set in 7. A quilla homache, a brutal number. Oh, my main come favorite back on.
Say be a before fee.
Ah, I'm not for. Nene, I'm not for it.
The house we are for.
If you are a friend of Quan Bayer, Nene, you are so the coffee damakoro. Bow the coffee.
Atadwe,
Madam.
Daina ne make her simbi. Now I'm trying to calm myself down and be cool. Atadwe,
Madam.
Why ne katre say me jije abrante na obafie ha ni sikadi. Enu nti me just like kotia broche. Daina can say repeat it for me.
Atadwe na be katre me say Madam say what je abrante sikadi. Say kura o say an wouldn't you video call last come or ba say na wo so ye call wo ye say na dan wo che sa na how kan
Ano man kan ho. Ano man kan.
Okay, into one can on anka ho no dia kan ho den na wo kan.
Oh, madam, wa say no nya aduane.
Wo bua
Ne so mistake ya me bo dua bia. Woni ba bia mfiri. Nkuro kwantentene no. Ye nduro no wawu. Madam, no ne komo adem a chere. Ne mbe ka chere ne sa dan ne de aduane na chere. Nti mama aduane ndi. No no abeyi tom say Atadwe beje adi say abrante ya oba ha ye ma nyiri boss akwakochi natum ne misi o ne boss wa ya de pa nya minhira no nya ne kesi no nyini mfra dum nkwadum fufuru no obeyi tom say Atadwe uni say say abrante ba oba ha nyina say madam kuraji jini skedi ne me say me kwa akobo mama dama ne na wo che say onka say me kwa akobo mama dama ne no wa fa chira be bo madam aba ne nya sa me na
eye obi an fancy wa enenye mumie no nyina mo first and last warning say you ni fie ha mamu ntrans in discuss yen yenya topic yenya book mu ni fa na wakenkan yen adan why will you people do that
na ka video
anya go fro ko nya no kan me ka hwe na fro hobia
mo last warning no adwuma mo ba asem be ne sa na bobra yen nyina ye tukwa akobi kro so akobobra ni bia bre e na awurade adoma hira me ni mekunu me nya akola e na let me tell you something. Me are well educated. Me Jimmy to the extent say me ne obi buy video call. Me jitu obi sika di na nipa papa. No, even God.
Madam Ayenko nyesa abu before abroso. Madam Ayenko. Now wo.
Odi Atadwe, go back to your post.
Thank you, madam.
But Mr. I mean what I said.
Thank you, madam.
The last one.
Thank you, madam.
Me pesa asem we make krache me kunu.
Madam.
The esi we yantem na mo manen ka ha ya. Let it remain here.
Madam.
Me te ho asem wo ba bi fura mo no me yi.
Thank you, madam.
All right.
Madam, obenum bi madam nkele no pe.
Call.
Thank you, madam.
I don't eat the same bowl with you. Leave.
Thank you, madam.
Daina. Daina, madam. Ma fa o se me nua. Me no bon komo. But who limit?
Madam, me.
No, who limit? There is difference between a boss and a house help.
We do okay.
Onye me nye koyiko. Enti asem bi say no catch on no you have no right to come and tell me.
Say me yes what cancer something me bubu saw.
It's all by and me whom to believe. Enti na me say ensi ho a. Who limit in this house. Me that say.
No, the way I now see Kasana, he told me, say, I have to come here, so no, now I'm in hurry. What's it?
My catcher say, I mentioned showering in mammy fear.
No, listen, me open one name we are coffee. Me you took and mammy do for your bake could be some bay assem. So what I said, I didn't be an hour more woeful. That's the blue life was Zuban Mudo.
Good news.
Good news. What's it?
Pregnant. Meaning
Abna, you are pregnant.
I know babu me and I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? Oh, it is what it is. This is what I'm talking about. You the real woman, innit? Abna, you pregnant. I said it. We can make it. I'm so proud. This is the best news I've ever heard. That's what I say.
One more thing, where's my money?
Abena, money ain't shit. You feel it? Abena, say my ba, waka se me achire me no, me humu ina sorry. Thank you.
So what about the money? Okay,
Listen,
so baby, you pay me in dollars.
I'm gonna pay you.
When?
But hey,
if you don't pay, I'll flash it on.
Hey, no, you can never. I have to call my doctor for confirmation first.
So that means I'm lying.
No. One say, some way more text and it me the ABT.
Me checking at the right time because me sorry don't tea. Yeah, and I did.
And I will check here.
So now I'm afraid.
That means you are pregnant.
Yes.
Junior STANNA is coming. AKA don't panic when a boy. This one is going to be American boy, not London boy.
I want a girl.
No, please. I want a boy. He got to follow my footsteps, you feel it? Babes, let me take you for shopping, please.
Why, Basa?
No. I want it like this. Young shopping.
You're shopping for them.
Kopomeka. After then, no. Coded location. I him for one hour name me there. So one name. I mean, coded location.
And you make it sound good.
Atadwe. Hey, Atadwe.
Ameni wada ugo nada.
Oh, nada.
Ade binu ya fanya na. Ha? Binu ya fanya uni se binu uni ya fanya wa.
Ade ma ode.
Ubi sa me se wa ya me.
Ode bra.
Daina. Ma unso enipa bia wo mpanyi yo. Wo mpema se me so me mpa wasem. Me nipa wotam wa brabo mbia me so ntan no. Firi na kofie ha no. Fa diule mu ne mesumi ndile mu. Wo bi sa me sa adan. Ne wo ma ba soro no wa ba be kan se ma no wo fa akira kobo madam amane. Se me se. Na wa brante na ogigi ni skadi. Ntina brante na ba. Na nka na eso koka.
Dem na say me tiremu
ntiremu sesen asem we ya asem asabi o ye bi a udidi no menkwan duty to sunye sudwene kwa kira obekwa kwodi nkwasi asem we
Atadwe
wan kira so e panyi o fa nsem hunu firo
o to fa asem ko
panyi be nsem hunu sa
o yam de we be bo be fa asem fu
o yam konkonsani pa sesane mwa sesane mwa ba bere wa ba bia ba bere wa ba bia fudwene nsem hunu kwa
me ya ka nsem so ka nsem ba bia fudwene no me du no
o ade njuma no di bedim
so ka nsem ba bia fudwene
no ma fa sabi on sister panyi ni wa be ka nsem
be di kokosa cheme
odo
maka be ka asem cheme
o ko be o de trust nti o de ne ho e ko tutu yi je se me Atadwe ne nye Daina ne ye ene won se nyigu so
bema uyi gu me so
won se nyigu so me nya wikido
he ma me ka asem Atadwe madam na so na keke kansam sensam fun ensem enim na keke no be jeje
me beja me
wanim ene konkonsam faja
oso ye konkonsani pa
sesa konkonsam faja
sane mwa
oso jai
profo ba
oso jai da be na ko madam tuwe wakwaji nsikadi da be na hu ye ka bi na mkoka
oso nya wono ka se madanya shawoni nya wo se he
Atadwe
no mistake wo be kwani ntifi ha Daina so diagro wo be kwani me ba bia ne nya adwuma wonafo ni fi wa ne nya adwuma no nipa 17 ni ma be yi badi me ane ka kire ma me ne se nhia Range Rover oso ntimi ntwa ne me se tade ma gya adwuma no ne ndia be sha ntimi mistake me ma se ma for wase I am very dangerous person me henka trema na ha chanso moro odi anu wa mistake
ka trema to sa mo nchi
me to sa mo nchi ba bere wa ba bia fudwene wo nsua nyansa nkonkon
me la Atadwe fa kwa se me la so ya Atadwe be yo fia no so ya de be yo fia se be on wate o se funa to that of them if you might be na man kasa
wo ya ba afade wetin so biem wo ya ba afade so biem fatene so biem fatene so biem wan se wunni nyansa ye no wo ye ya
Atadwe ba so chese me dey Atadwe me pa kasa sama Atadwe
nyoma bi etwetwe maso and I can't understand. It's fine madam for no ya chi watum baba bebe o. But I wonder say we be a wo bi di abusuani bi ansi ho. Anan is kama man ka confio omodo kokota ko jeli wana. Confio maintain your maybe say. You have the right to explain everything to me right now. I say what chemi no na maintain your maybe say. Say confio the whole confio wo ka wo fie wo bi di. Na ya chi wakokotum. Say nyam na metie na me roshi ba ho e be sensan no ma agi bela na nka omodo kokota jeli wana. Arewa uma me papa wey obusu afọ wey confion
na
Oba police station, man cheche bibi man chew. Ah, there be on a police station. I'm teaching me my day. The best thing my friend be free. I sell so because of one hour than quite harming. Because the moment I be shower up now, we soon me so there. Ati. Okay. Man cheche bibi man chew me. Ada DNC.
So below. The thing na say e ye me yere na me hu no. Na me hu so akodi be ma for France. Na me try say me gi me yere back and ma dia betena. And no nam so de me ko wi police station no.
O yere. O yere in what sense? Oba ben no. Na me minim.
O ye me yere. Me yere no.
O worry da ben. Confion dey be asem na wo ka no. Sorry wine na me ntiase because many 190 for quite time in who so worry na ye den na ye wo yere man no e wan oba ben no
asem na me ka no mo she dan ntiase but the metimi aka ache wan say
yeah
o ye me yere oba na me hunu na wakodi be ma foforo nsa no oba na me hunu na one be ma foforo no tenan she is my wife
na chisi ya opa chese be ma for Friday aware no ene se onya oyiru biem
o ye me yere eno na me se me ntiase a me pese me kofo me yere de ne betena me nchen ai ma boy no echi me kotu police station
be comfort ti me nua no se bi o wo hye o ba bi abonten wa pe no wa mpene ena se sa oba no so okunu na wo tata na ase den
di minimi se ye me yere no akodi be ma foforo nchen ntimi sumi ntimi hwe se meti ase na me yere akodi be ma foforo nchen kwan bia me faso a me yere ba be ka mensa kwan bia me faso a me yere be ba me nchen bia no so bolo me faso
bro if you nkola bring woni so hatu ni nyina still oba wo bie won na no so wo pa wo mpo ne da asen no so wo mpa wo a wo kodi be ma foforo ho a wo tata no masa inse wo mbo ho so me ka che wo no tie na tie mi if you take my advice it's going to help you sérieusement donc je m'appelle et record ici so wanga sana wo betena se hu se oba wase ne pekra so wo pe won da asen nipa no aware na wo chesi no bra I don't support you sa de wo de twu ho firi ho se enu nti na wo da mu a confirm sraw enko ho biem ai na wo batimi a ma ba ma chi wo kotu mu a wo sa chesi oba ne biem bro sa de ne die forget na tuka ne enko na ja
ka wo dan nti wo se kwan ne tine ba so bulu me ntwa so kwan bia me faso ama me nsa ka me ri bia no
confion etimi mi tuufo no opo sa ba bi e kwan bia me faso won se won bon hu tumi do nyame wo sa boy we na ka mi nim se kwa ka man bewu ka ma wo ka ho common sense is common but not common to common people basa wo be kumi ana me tuusu bia